Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, academic counsellor in Indira Gandhi National Open University for master's degree in business administration, that is MBA. And today, for the benefit of students of MBA, I have chosen one of the specialization subjects in human resource management, which is included in the new MBA third semester. The course code is MMPH 004, Industrial and Employment Relations. It has got 4 blocks and the corresponding units are going to be read over by me now. And to start with, the block 1 is concerned with industrial and employment relations, an overview. Unit 1 is concept and approaches. Unit 2 is evolution. Unit 3 is constitution, international labor organization and legal framework. Unit 4 is labor administration in India. Unit 5 is global trends. Block 2 is on trade unionism. Unit 6 is development and functions of trade unions. Unit 7 is trade union structure, leadership and recognition. Unit 8 is managerial unionism. Unit 9 is employment relations in non-union firms. And block 3 is on collective bargaining. Unit 10 is on collective bargaining. Unit 11 is bargaining structure, process and agreements. Unit 12 is negotiation. Block 4 concerns with grievance, discipline and conflict resolution. Unit 13 is on grievance handling. Unit 14 is on discipline in organizations. And Unit 15, the last one, is on industrial conflict. Incidentally, as for the curriculum that is there, the students are supposed to submit assignments before they appear for term examinations, and as such, I have chosen the assignment concerning to MMPH 004, and in the assignment, the students are supposed to write the corresponding replies in the manner in which they want it to be, without any restriction of words whatsoever per question, but perhaps they need to give a minimum of 600 to 700 words for each of the questions to get maximum marks in their assignment. And if the assignment marks are to be 90, the 30% of that will be added to the term and examination marks in order to declare the final results of that particular course or the subject, as the case may be. Today, I have taken one of the assignments that is required to be answered by the current students before 30th April 2023, and I am going to read out the questions that are to be written by the students. Here, they are supposed to submit before 30th April 2023, and as well, they can write even 1,000 words per each of the questions that are there to get maximum marks, which may perhaps support them to score higher marks as and when their term and examinations are conducted and their marks are computed along with the assignments. Now, the questions will be read over. Briefly, explain the concept and evolution of industrial relations in India in the light of the Gandhian approach. Briefly, explain the layoff, retrenchment, and closure, which comes under Chapter 5A, rules contained in Industrial Disputes Act 1947. The third question is, how does leadership affect trade unionism? Explain the role of insider and outsider trade leaders. The fourth one is, briefly explain the features of collective bargaining and how this method is different in the public sector. The fifth one is, what are the various classifications of misconduct? What hierarchy needs to be followed while imposing a punishment? These are all the questions of this assignment, and I have taken one of the questions, namely briefly explain the features of collective bargaining, how this method is different in the public sector, and I am going to answer the same in my next video. All the best and thank you.